Everything inside our earth needs a little bit of space. From Africa to cultural Asia, up to the Arctic Circle. Make the world a better place for you and everyone. Make the world a better place for you and everyone.
Our planet's environment is rapidly deteriorating. Countless species are in peril and many are going extinct. We cannot stand by. We must take action on behalf of the natural world, including humans. Action for Nature's young eco-heroes are doing just that. Here's a sampling of the award winners for 2015. 12-year-old Desmond has discovered that birds in Los Angeles face many threats, such as trash, lead poisoning, outdoor cats, window crashes, pesticides, habitat loss, and rat poison. Now he raises money for bird habitat restoration and is campaigning for lead-free bullets to save rare California condors which eat bullet-ridden birds left by hunters. Rock of Korea founded Earth Kids to help clean up food waste and trash in his local park. The Earth Kids also participate in many environmental events. Besides becoming an environmental leader, Rock is a cartoonist, and his series Earth Kids, Ricky and Picky has drawn a lot of attention to the need for a sustainable lifestyle. In addition, he's a junior newspaper reporter and speaks at international events.
My name is Olivia, and I'm 12 years old, and my brother and I started a company back in 2009 to save animals.
6 years ago in Georgia, a brother and sister founded a nonprofit which educates others about the need to protect endangered species, particularly from plastic pollution. Now aged 13 and 14, Olivia and Carter have developed a school curriculum which has reached thousands of students in the USA and is in the planning stages for South Africa, the UK, and Australia. They also work directly on problems affecting wildlife and are currently collaborating on a rhino campaign in South Africa and an orangutan campaign in Indonesia.
We are the next generation.
Known as the Green Machine because of her great passion for the environment, Arushi of the United Arab Emirates, aged 16, campaigns at events and workshops and gives motivational presentations. She visited the 66 flats in her building and persuaded all the residents to recycle and save electricity. She mobilizes youth to collaborate on environmental projects such as tree planting, and she makes tables from recycled tires. She serves in leadership roles in international organizations where she works to empower more eco-warriors to lead the world to a greener future.
I've been learning on how I can make a difference to the environment, what little steps I can take to make the world a better place.
On a mission to show others why it's so important to protect the diverse inhabitants of our world, Monique, age 15 of South Africa, has founded a social media program, 1 Million Footprints to Save Africa. So far, through fun-filled events, 17,000 students have stood together to say, enough is enough. Monique also speaks out about poaching concerns and has helped organize marches that emphasize the predicament of elephants and rhinos. The world needs help from every single one of us in many different ways. Won't you please stand with Action for Nature's young eco-heroes? Each of us has the power to make a difference, and each of us must do something. Here are the remaining award winners. Arushi from India addresses dehydration and malnutrition in children. Abigail from the United States campaigns for clean waterways. Anirudh from the United States recycles used batteries for his community. Anuj from the United States encourages people in his town to save electricity. Caroline from the United States researches waterway contamination. Ella from the United States makes bracelets to raise money for turtle protection. Evan from the United States brings nature to the visually impaired. Isabel from Australia protects sea turtles. Joshua from the United States works on water conservation. Libby from New Zealand protects Maui's dolphins. Michaela from the United States cleans sand from solar panels via levitation. Michaela from Argentina and the United States makes documentary films about science. Samir from the United States helps people to recycle. Luca from Kenya advocates for wildlife through performance and other educational techniques.